Raphael AI has just been released, and in this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. If you're looking for an AI tool that could transform the way you work, then stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether Raphael AI is the right fit for you. Plus, if you're new to this software, you can try it for free from the first link below. First off, let's talk about what makes Raphael AI stand out from the sea of AI tools hitting the market. The first thing you need to know is that it's built to streamline your workflows, saving you time and maximizing productivity. With its intuitive interface, Raphael AI lets you automate tasks that would normally take up hours of your day. It's perfect for business owners, digital marketers, or anyone looking to scale their operations while cutting down on repetitive tasks. Now here's a crucial point. Raphael AI is not just another chatbot or simple assistant. This software uses advanced machine learning algorithms that make it smarter the more you use it. That means as you continue working with it, it gets better at understanding your preferences, automating your tasks more efficiently, and even offering personalized suggestions based on your behavior. If you've ever used a tool that's stuck at a basic level and doesn't adapt to your needs, you'll appreciate how Raphael AI evolves with you. Another key feature to highlight is its versatility. Raphael AI isn't limited to one industry or niche. Whether you're managing content, analyzing data, or running digital campaigns, it provides tailored solutions for different sectors. I've personally tested it for digital marketing tasks, and I can tell you it's a game changer. From creating high-converting ad copy to analyzing customer behavior, Raphael AI takes the heavy lifting off your plate. One thing that truly sets Raphael AI apart is its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with popular platforms like Google Ads, Shopify, and social media management tools. If you're already using these platforms, adding Raphael AI to your toolkit is going to be an absolute no-brainer. It reduces friction between systems and allows you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. What about the user experience? This software is designed for people who may not be AI experts, but want powerful tools at their fingertips. You don't need a deep understanding of machine learning to take advantage of Raphael AI. Its clean, user-friendly interface makes complex tasks simple. Plus, there are tons of resources, guides, and tutorials to help you get up to speed quickly. Now, let's talk about its pricing model. While many AI tools are priced through a complicated subscription structure, Raphael AI offers a straightforward pricing plan. And if you're on the fence, you can try it for free from the link in the description. It's a great way to get hands-on experience with the software before committing to a paid plan. As we wrap up, I want to remind you that I've tried thousands of AI tools in my career, and Raphael AI definitely stands out. If you're looking for something that's reliable, easy to use, and can scale with your business, Raphael AI is worth your attention. But don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself. You can find my recommended AI tools in the description, all tested for performance, and many of them you can start using for free today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the first link below to give Raphael AI a spin yourself.